Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marsons with your Monday morning forecast update, looking at what will be a frosty Monday morning here for many of us, as we'll have temperatures that start out near freezing in quite a few locations. So you'll definitely want to take a jacket with you this morning. It will turn into a cool but comfortable day, and pretty amazing weather conditions lined up for you as we move throughout the week here. After the cold start, we should warm into the upper 60s and low 70s, so it will feel fairly pleasant by about 1-2 o'clock in the afternoon. But anytime before that, it will be running on the cool side for us. And you can see here just a typical spectacular fall day for us, as we'll see all day sunshine, and again temperatures kind of pushing close to 70 late this afternoon, and a pretty quick temperature drop on the way tonight. The cool mornings will stick around as we continue through the week, but so will just the very pleasant afternoons. We like to see the big blue H, high pressure, building in behind the weekend cold front, so that means a lot of sun and dry weather for us. And you can see there's a little ridge of high pressure which is building into the west coast in the United States there, and that's going to nudge the jet stream and the active weather across the northern half of the country here throughout the week. So I have dry conditions in the forecast through Friday at least, and probably through at least Saturday as well, as your Untitled FUTURECAST just showing the sunshine out there, maybe a little more than just a few upper level clouds drifting through as we continue through the week, which will bring us those very nice weather conditions through at least Friday and Saturday. And it's not looking like the next chance of rain will be until late in the upcoming weekend. So we'll look at your lows tonight. It will still be a pretty cool night, but not maybe as cold as what we're seeing this morning, as most of us should be in the upper 30s and low 40s. So we may have a few locations again north of I-30 close to freezing, including maybe Idabel and DeQueen this morning. And the big weather story here across the country will be Hurricane Iota, which has winds up to 145 miles per hour, so it is a Category 4 hurricane. It is poised to make landfall here in Central America. Unlike the past few storms that have curved back to the north here, it is expected to kind of stay over land and continue its trek to the west here, perhaps out into the Pacific Ocean eventually. So at this point, doesn't look like it will be anything that will be an impact to us, but obviously the very active Atlantic hurricane season does continue. So for us, a little bit closer to home here, you can't beat that for the week, as we'll likely see highs into the mid to upper 70s later this week. Overnight lows will stay in the 40s and 50s. I'm keeping us dry Saturday, but it does look like there's a cold front on the way Sunday or Monday of the upcoming week here. So as far as your weekend, Saturday is looking okay for the outdoor plans, but there's a little bit of a question mark about Sunday, whether the front will come in earlier or come in a little bit later in the day. So obviously as we move through the week, we'll get the timing ironed out for you a little bit better, but it does look like this next cold front could definitely bring us some showers and storms late in the upcoming weekend.